Welcome to Alaska, a land of immense beauty, wilderness, and adventure. With its breathtaking landscapes and incredible wildlife, this state truly earns its nickname, the last frontier. Stay tuned as we dive into the wonders of Alaska, covering everything from glaciers to wildlife and the must-see places in this once-in-a-lifetime destination. Alaska is the largest state in the US, covering over 600,000 square miles. Much of this vast territory remains remote and can only be accessed by boat or plane. Its expansive wilderness offers the perfect setting for adventure, with rugged mountains, dense forests, and diverse wildlife at every turn. Speaking of wildlife, Alaska is home to the iconic Kodiak bear, the largest subspecies of brown bear in North America. These giants can weigh up to 1,400 pounds and stand 10 feet tall. Despite their size, bear encounters are rare, but always awe-inspiring. Did you know? Kodiak bears are similar to the extinct California grizzly in both diet and behavior. The Tongass National Forest, known by the U.S. Forest Service as the crown jewel of Alaska, spans an impressive 17 million acres, making it the largest national forest in the state. It's also one of the last intact temperate rainforests in the world, home to over 70,000 people. For many years, the region relied heavily on the timber industry, but today it has transitioned into more sustainable sources of income, such as recreation, subsistence food, salmon fishing, scientific research, and carbon sequestration, which together contribute more than $2 billion annually to the local economy. Tourism is a major economic driver here, supporting over 10,000 jobs, with activities ranging from hiking through rainforests to fishing in pristine waters. The forest is also home to three indigenous Alaska Native nations, the Tlingit, Haida, and Tsimshian, whose rich cultures remain deeply connected to the land. With 31 communities located within the Tongass, the largest is Juneau, Alaska's capital, with a population of 31,000. Whether for its breathtaking beauty or its cultural heritage, the Tongass stands as a remarkable symbol of Alaska's natural and human legacy. Alaska's glaciers are world-renowned for their sheer scale and breathtaking beauty, and two of the most famous near Juneau are the Taku Glacier and Mendenhall Glacier. The Taku Glacier is a truly remarkable sight. At over 4,800 feet thick, it holds the title of the deepest alpine temperate glacier on Earth. Its massive expanse, surrounded by rugged mountains, creates a striking landscape that's perfect for aerial views, especially through drone shots that capture its towering ice formations and the serene wilderness around it. If you didn't subscribe yet, please do it and let's continue. Just a short distance away is the Mendenhall Glacier, a must-see destination due to its easy accessibility and stunning surroundings. Visitors can hike trails that offer incredible views of the glacier, including paths leading to picturesque waterfalls and even ice caves. Mendenhall is more than just a glacier. It's a glimpse into Alaska's dynamic natural beauty, where you can observe how the glacier shapes the land and interacts with the environment. Whether exploring the raw, untouched wilderness of Taku Glacier or the awe-inspiring landscapes of Mendenhall Glacier, these icy giants are highlights of Alaska's majestic terrain, offering a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Denali National Park, often referred to as the Heart of Adventure, spans an impressive 6 million acres of pristine wilderness and is home to Denali, the tallest peak in North America. Standing at 20,310 feet, Denali towers above the vast landscapes, making it one of the most iconic mountains in the world. Drone shots of the mountain capture its towering presence, surrounded by rugged terrain and endless horizons. The park offers a diverse range of activities for adventurers and nature enthusiasts alike. Whether you're taking one of the scenic drives through the park to witness breathtaking panoramas, or venturing out on a hiking trail to get up close with Alaska's raw beauty, there's no shortage of ways to explore. Wildlife watching is another highlight here, with opportunities to spot grizzly bears, moose, caribou, and even wolves in their natural habitat. Denali National Park prides itself on being a sustainable tourism destination, where visitors can connect with nature while helping preserve the delicate ecosystems. With its vast open spaces, striking landscapes, and a commitment to conservation, Denali is a true adventure paradise, offering a deep connection to Alaska's untamed wilderness. Hatcher Pass is a hidden gem, offering some of the most breathtaking alpine scenery in Alaska. Nestled between rugged peaks and meadows bursting with wildflowers, the pass is a perfect retreat for both adventure lovers and those in search of tranquility. With drone visuals capturing the sweeping valleys, steep ridges, and alpine terrain, Hatcher Pass is an ideal destination for hiking, backcountry skiing, and simply soaking in the natural beauty of Alaska's wilderness. Located nearby is the charming town of Palmer, renowned for its rich agricultural history and surrounded by awe-inspiring landscapes. Known as a fertile farming community, Palmer is a peaceful contrast to the wild surroundings of the pass, offering a unique blend of rural charm and scenic beauty. Visitors can explore historic farms, take in panoramic views of the Chugach Mountains, and enjoy a slower pace of life amidst some of Alaska's most scenic backdrops. Together, Hatcher Pass and Palmer create a stunning escape, whether you're looking for outdoor adventures or a quiet retreat into nature's grandeur. The Kenai River is world famous for being one of the best sport fishing rivers on the planet, drawing anglers from around the globe. Flowing through lush forests and surrounded by breathtaking turquoise waters, the river provides the perfect balance of adventure and serenity. It's home to record-breaking salmon runs, including the prized king salmon, making it a top destination for fishing enthusiasts. The Kenai River isn't just about fishing, though. Whether you're casting a line in its pristine waters or simply enjoying the tranquil environment, the river offers a wide range of experiences. Wildlife sightings are common, with eagles soaring overhead and the chance to spot bears and moose near the banks. For those seeking adventure, there are options for kayaking, rafting, and taking in the rugged Alaskan wilderness from the water. The magic of the Kenai River lies in its ability to bring together the thrill of fishing with the peace of nature, creating a paradise for both seasoned anglers and those looking for an unforgettable escape into Alaska's great outdoors. Juneau, the capital of Alaska, is a charming blend of stunning natural landscapes and rich cultural heritage. Nestled between towering mountains and the sparkling waters of the Gastineau Channel, Juneau is not accessible by road, giving it a remote yet captivating appeal. Visitors can explore glaciers, hike scenic trails, or take part in the local art scene, all while surrounded by breathtaking wilderness. Heading west, Sitka offers a unique glimpse into Alaska's Russian and indigenous history. Once the capital of Russian America, Sitka is now a peaceful coastal town, where history and nature intertwine. The town's historic sites, such as St. Michael's Cathedral and the Sitka National Historical Park, are complemented by the backdrop of volcanic mountains and dense forests, making Sitka a must-visit for those looking to explore Alaska's cultural diversity. Finally, there's Anchorage, Alaska's largest city and urban hub, which offers the perfect mix of modern amenities and rugged wilderness. With the towering Chugach Mountains on one side and Cook Inlet on the other, Anchorage is the gateway to both adventure and Alaskan culture. Whether you're interested in hiking, visiting museums, or simply soaking in the vibrant local life, Anchorage provides the ideal base for exploring the rest of the state. These iconic towns, each with their own unique charm, showcase the diverse landscapes, history, and culture that make Alaska such a special place to explore. For those looking for the ultimate Alaskan road trip, the Dalton Highway is an unparalleled adventure. Stretching over 400 miles from Fairbanks to Prudhoe Bay, this remote highway takes travelers through some of the most rugged and untamed landscapes Alaska has to offer. Known as one of the most isolated roads in the US, it crosses the Arctic Circle and offers stunning views of mountain ranges, endless tundra, and the opportunity to witness the northern lights during the right season. With minimal services along the way, The Dalton Highway is a true test of endurance and an unforgettable journey for those who seek the wilderness. But Alaska's unique adventures extend far beyond the highway. The quaint town of Talkeetna, with its artistic charm and breathtaking views of Denali, is a favorite among those looking to experience authentic Alaskan culture. Whether you're sightseeing over Denali or exploring the local shops, Talkeetna offers a perfect mix of adventure and relaxation. Further south, Valdez is known for its dramatic fjords, cascading waterfalls, and epic outdoor activities like kayaking, fishing, and glacier tours. Surrounded by towering peaks and icy waters, this port town is the gateway to exploring Prince William Sound and its abundant wildlife, including whales, seals, and puffins. Alaska is a breathtakingly diverse wilderness, a living natural canvas where untamed beauty reigns. From its towering mountains to vast stretches of pristine glaciers, this state offers an endless array of natural wonders. Glacier Bay, Wrangell St. Elias National Park, and the Kenai Fjords showcase some of the most magnificent glaciers in the world, while providing visitors with opportunities for glacier trekking, kayaking, and wildlife spotting. These colossal ice fields are a sight to behold, with their towering blue walls and icy rivers that carve through Alaska's rugged terrain. Whether you're hiking through lush rainforests, paddling along glacial lakes, or embarking on a bear-watching expedition, Alaska offers a paradise for nature lovers and adventurers alike. Every corner of this vast state holds magical experiences, leaving visitors in awe of the raw, untamed beauty that is unique to Alaska. Thanks for joining me on this incredible journey through Alaska. Let me know in the comments which place impressed you the most. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more exciting travel adventures. See you next time, and keep exploring.